Listen up, you lot. Are you tired of skipping breakfast or choking down soggy cereal every morning? It's time to ditch the excuses and fuel your body with proper grub. I'm talking about quick, easy, and bloody delicious breakfast recipes that even a donkey could manage. We're going to transform your mornings and set you up for a day of peak performance. All right, you lazy sods, this one's for you. If you can barely muster the energy to make breakfast in the morning, then overnight oats are your new best friend. Overnight oats are the epitome of effortless preparation. No cooking, no fuss, just pure convenience. Grab a jar, any jar will do, and listen carefully. This is where the magic happens. First, we're going to add a generous portion of rolled oats. None of that instant rubbish. Rolled oats are the real deal, packed with fiber and nutrients. Next, we'll drown those oats in almond milk, or any milk you fancy really. Almond milk, soy milk, cow's milk, it's your call. The key is to make sure the oats are fully submerged. Now, for a bit of texture and a nutritional punch, sprinkle in a healthy dose of chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. And for the love of God, don't forget the flavor. Add a pinch of cinnamon, a dash of vanilla extract, or even a spoonful of honey to sweeten things up. Dice up your favorite fruits. Berries, bananas, mangoes, anything goes. Fresh fruits not only add flavor, but also a burst of vitamins and antioxidants. Seal that jar tight and chuck it in the fridge overnight. Let it sit and soak up all those flavors while you get your beauty sleep. In the morning, you'll have a breakfast fit for a king, ready to fuel your day. Just grab a spoon and dig in. No more excuses for skipping breakfast. Let's kick things up a notch with a vibrant and refreshing smoothie bowl that will wake up your taste buds. This Berry Blast smoothie bowl is not just a treat for your palate, but also a feast for your eyes. Perfect for breakfast, a post-workout snack, or even a healthy dessert. Grab your blender, you'll need it for this one. Make sure it's clean and ready to go, because we're about to create something magical. First, we're going to chuck in a generous handful of frozen berries. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, whatever you've got. These berries are packed with antioxidants and will give our smoothie bowl that vibrant color and tangy flavor. Next, add a banana for some creamy sweetness. Bananas are great for adding natural sweetness and a smooth texture to our bowl. Now, for a protein boost, we'll add a dollop of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is not only rich in protein, but also adds a nice tangy flavor that complements the berries perfectly. And to bring it all together, a splash of almond milk. Almond milk is a great dairy-free option that adds a subtle nutty flavor and helps blend everything smoothly. Blitz that lot until it's smooth as silk. Make sure there are no chunks left. We want a perfectly smooth consistency. Pour that glorious concoction into a bowl and prepare for artistry. This is where you can get creative and make your smoothie bowl look as good as it tastes. Sprinkle over some crunchy granola for texture. Granola adds a delightful crunch and makes the bowl more filling. Arrange some fresh berries on top. This not only enhances the flavor, but also makes the bowl look absolutely stunning. And for the love of all things holy, don't forget the Instagram photo. Capture that perfect shot and share your masterpiece with the world. Enjoy your Berry Blast smoothie bowl. Chapter 3. Avocado Toast with Eggs. Simplicity at its finest. This next one is for those who appreciate the beauty of simplicity without compromising on taste. It's a dish that brings together the best of both worlds, health and flavor. Start by toasting a slice of whole grain bread. None of that white bread nonsense. We want something hearty and nutritious. While it's still warm, grab a ripe avocado. Cut it open, remove the pit, and scoop out the creamy goodness. Mash it directly onto the toast, spreading it evenly. Season generously with salt and pepper. Don't be shy, because even simple dishes need some bloody love. You can also add a dash of chili flakes if you like a bit of heat. Now for the star of the show, the egg. The beauty of this dish is its versatility. Fry it sunny side up for a runny yolk, poach it for a delicate touch, scramble it for a fluffy texture, or even boil it if you prefer. Whatever your heart desires. Gently place that perfectly cooked egg on top of the avocado toast. Add a sprinkle of fresh herbs like chives or parsley for an extra burst of flavor. And behold, a breakfast masterpiece that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Chapter 4. Nutty Greek Yogurt Parfait. Layers of deliciousness. Let's finish strong with a parfait that's as pleasing to the eyes as it is to the palate. Grab a tall glass and let's start layering. First, a generous scoop of Greek yogurt. Next, a drizzle of honey for sweetness. Now for some crunch and healthy fats, sprinkle on a mixture of nuts and seeds. Repeat these layers until your glass is full, ending with a final flourish of fresh berries on top. This parfait is a symphony of textures and flavors that will leave you feeling satisfied and energized all morning long. There you have it, you lot. 4 incredible breakfast recipes that are guaranteed to transform your mornings. No more excuses for skipping the most important meal of the day. Get in the kitchen, get creative, and start your day the right way. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more culinary inspiration. Now bugger off and make me proud.